everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to add GIF in WhatsApp profile picture. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is open WhatsApp application. Once you're here, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Then go to settings. After that, just tap on your profile. Then click on this one, the camera icon. After that, go to your gallery. And in here, you'll just choose the GIF that you want to add on your profile picture. But if you don't see any GIF, then it's probably not supported in your region. So just keep updated on WhatsApp memo. And that's it, everyone. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!